Curtis, this is Allan from OC Nerf, and I just stopped by at the post office and picked up a package. So the package that I received was from Orange Modworks, and it is for their new Project Orange release of an old favorite. This is the o-tac Hammershot S1 kit. The 6-shot Hammershot cylinder, basically, in the orange and black special color variant for all the early pickers. So if you're picking it up now, you'll probably get the silver and black version. But if you're an early picker, you'll be getting the orange version instead of that one. It's kind of a special edition one, which is really cool because we were expecting that product to be out for distribution sometime at the end of September, maybe in October. And here it is, just early August, and we're already receiving that product in the mailboxes. So coming from a company that has historically had issues with delaying their product releases, infamously other companies like Jet Blasters with their product delays as well, this is a really good step forward. Project Orange, I think, is a really good crowdfunding model that I hope other companies will adapt as well to how they want to release their new products and get them funded in a way that is timely towards our customers, respectful of our money, of our time, that helps them as well as the producers, and really stops this hatred that ends up coming up when projects continually get delayed and the community just gets angry about that. So I hope that Project Orange will continue to grow. I've heard from Orange Modworks that they have 2 more projects planned for release once these first 2 are out. So that's pretty exciting. I'm curious to see what they are. So keep an eye out on that. But the main kind of bulk of this video theme topic is the fan mailbox. So I've definitely seen other channels doing their fan mailbox. I thought I'd give it a shot this year. So I have a fan mail P.O. box. It is P.O. Box 891, Placentia, California, 92871. You'll find that information as well down below in the video description. So if you're so inclined to send some packages or some fan mail, I would absolutely appreciate that. You'll definitely be getting it on video when I pick up that package and kind of open it up and share it with everybody else as well. So if you have something like that that you want to share with me, I would much appreciate it. If you don't want it to be shared to the wide world, you're just sending me something personally, I appreciate that as well, and I'll make sure not to share that if you let me know not to share that in a future video release. So as always, I do appreciate the comments that I get in the YouTube channels. I appreciate talking to people on Facebook and on Instagram. So there's a lot of community that's been going on. I really want this channel to focus on growing and helping the community in my own personal way, which I hope I am doing, and I am providing some kind of benefit to the community. I know there have been delays with video releases because of my things going on with me personally, especially in the last year and a half. There have been a lot of hectic and chaotic changes in my personal life, for good or bad, that have really hampered progress in this hobby for me. And getting things out on video, it does take time to do all that kind of work. But things have started to settle. I've got that fan mail box set up. I have as I mentioned, my Facebook and my Instagram for those of you that haven't picked up on those yet or are coming from those sources to my YouTube channel. I appreciate all of you. And thank you guys for watching. Nerf on, everybody.